told me that he needed a verse. Him in the chapel, he told us niggas that he see me, that he gon' put me on the shirt. They hate my reaction cause I am a savage. I go to the well, let us get to the church, ooh, like Young and May. I flood the strip with 100 plates. Horsepower screaming underlay. My amigo, he'll move a ton a day.
The shifter's not up.
That's still shift lock. Your foot is under the frame. It's still the same shit. Hold on. Don't start like that. We'll be back there and then throw your foot up under
I'm scared.
You gotta be able to hold on.
I know.
You gotta turn the handlebars too.
Which way? Right?
Yeah, turn to the right. That way you can,
Right and then throw it?
if you want to. I'm just saying so you can be comfortable on one hand and back.
I can one hand all day. Huh?
Turn the handlebars, you're gonna be more comfortable.
I can one hand all day.
I know, but once you turn the handlebars, you'll be even more.
I know, that's what I do when I one hand. Ready? Ready? Think about me, I'll let that bitch die in the air.
Huh?
I'll let that bitch die in the air.
Yeah, alright.
You hear it? Woo! I let that bitch die in the air, nigga. What happened? Y'all ready or what? I just beat your slides. You ready? I'll do it again. You ready? I'm saying, how you gonna judge it? Huh? Count what? We can start at a pole if you want. I mean, if you go to third, you're gonna get it because I'm not gonna go to third. But
Well, then game over.
I'm just saying, second for second, I'm right there. I'm just saying,
Just leave it alone, man.
I'm there with you.
Leave it alone.
Okay, go for it.
It don't matter where.
The middle of he ended at the middle. I'll do that. I got that. That's easy. That's from the middle. He started from the middle. Nah, I lost. If you went to the curb, I lost that one. But I could go to the curb though. I was just getting cocky, looking around, turning around and shit.
Hey, that's what happens.
That's a good one.
I'm done. I'm done sliding. My shit.
It's the same thing. It's a second.
Yeah, I mean, I just ain't did it yet. Only reason why I started doing that is because I was doing the both feet on the bar shit, and then I just started taking my foot off.
Yeah, y'all can't slide along with that. They was flying with no throttle. You still got that throttle. I can do that shit on the bike. That's what he just said.
I'm just scared to take my hand off, bro. That's all I gotta do, right?
Yeah.
Take the hand.
I ain't gonna lie. If you bring that bitch all the way up and take your hand off, you's a cold nigga.
Yeah.
Alright, bro.
Oh, okay.
If you do it, you are a certified stepper.
He's getting there slowly.
Towards the middle of it.
I just had to look.
That shit dangerous. You can't slow walk them bitches. At all. At all. At all. Nigga, you can slow walk the fuck out of these bitches.
You gotta use the clutch.
Yeah, I'm saying no clutch. You can't do it. That's why I don't like that bitch, because you can't slow walk it unless you use the clutch. Nothing like this.
Well, yeah, of course. Different type of motor.
I know, but that's why I don't like it. Because I done did that. I done did that like 4 or 5 times on that bitch. On that. Go over the fucking bars. Nigga, your legs is like this.